Today we have to study the question number 12 in exercise 5a, determinate sectors. Question will be given 12 number I, that is 1 BC A into B plus C, 1 CA B into C plus A into 1 AB C into A plus B. We have to prove equal to 0. This determinant value is equal to 0. This determinant value is equal to 0. So that first we have to take in LHS sides, that is the determinant of this. So that LHS side will be given 1 BC A into B plus C into B plus C in 1 CA B into C plus A 1 AB C into A plus B to A plus B. The LHS sides. Now we have to using these properties. छोटा जो प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी थी छोटा प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करके हमें प्रूव करवा दिस डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 0. So that now we have to simplify the determinant value like as 1 BC. Just you can simplify, just multiply like as AB plus AC. Important ଅଛି এটা question format as per formalic question. So that A BC AB plus AC, then 1 CA BC plus AB, again 1 AB CA plus C. देखो जस्ट हम सिंप्लीफाई कर ले ब्रैकेट अछि सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर ले A into B AB A into CAC plus plus then BC AB CA AB. Again now we have to check out how to using the property. If we can added column 1 and column 2 so that column 3 will be changes करवा जदी column 3 will be changes to the if you can changes column 3 like as column 2 plus column 3 then देखो column 3 कोन हिजिवो सेम टर्म सब पळे आसीबे रवार रटू रचने केमति ना AB AC BC AB AC BC AB AC BC. So that now we can changes column 3 changes column 3 plus column 2 column 3 को कौन करिवा ना column 3 plus column 2 को ऐड कर दवा. So that our new determinant like as 1 BC AB plus AC plus BC बुझला. Second the add is just again 1 AC CA जगह AC से just changes position. So AC again add कले कौन होगा AB simply BC AB BC plus AC. Again third column will be similarly 1 AB AB plus BC plus AC. So that now we have to check out देखो column 3 कौन आसला ने AB BC AC एठी भी सेमती AB BC AC AB BC AC आसले कि नहीं. So that we have to taking out these elements from column 3 like as AB plus BC plus AC. Yes or no? So that our determinant like as 1 BC देखो नहीं 1 BC 1 similarly 1 AC 1 last row will be 1 AB 1. देखो एबे कोन फाइल ना AB BC AC को हमें कॉमन ले आथले कोथरे ना कॉलम 3 रे टेकिंग कॉमन ले कोन AB BC AC. So that now the rest determinant will be the remaining element will be 1 BC 1 1 AC 1 1 AB 1. So that now column 1 ये column 2 ये column 3 property number सिला गोटे property हमर कोन if any two row or any two columns but if column both column or row if identical, then the determinant value will be 0. Then the determinant value will be 0. So that here column 1 and column 3, column 1 here, column 1 is equal to column 3. So the determinant value will be 0. So that 0 into something, it is 0. They are the just sides of the determinant. True. बुझे लगे देखो प्रॉपर्टी रे कोन पड़थिला जदी गुडा डिटरमिनेंट रे दुटा रो किंबा दुटा कॉलम सेम हे जिबे एलिमेंट गुडा को रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट गुडा को ताले डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू विल बी गिव्स 0 so that the determinant value will be 0. So 0 into something, that is 0. This is the proof of 12 number I peaks. बुझे लगे सो तुम्हें सब बेले मन रखा चेष्टा कर जो सब प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ा जाइला तो सब प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ा जाइता मन रख ना अब देखिबा अनदर क्वेश्चंस bit second bit is equal now x plus 4 2x and 2x x plus 4 2x x plus 4 is equal to the term is equal to 5x plus 4 minus x square x whole square. Like divide it, you have to prove 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. The determinant value will give this. So that we have to take in the left hand side and put the RHS sides. Now, देखो LHS side कौन है? Space में टाइट लिखुँ इधर हम प्रूव करेंगे. तब प्रूव करेंगे. तो LHS side क्या होता है? x plus 4 2x again 2x x plus 4 2x x plus 4 हमको प्रूव करिवार कोन अछि दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x रो होल स्क्वायर देखो फट आधे साइड रो कोन अछि सो दैट हम सेही बने हम प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करिवा देन वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस तो 5x plus 4 देखो 5x plus 4 अछि नै फर्स्ट टर्म देखो हम कोन बोले उडे रो के बारे कॉलम रे 5x plus 4 को कन्वर्ट करि परिबा वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट द 5x plus 4 terms so that here is x plus 4 2x plus 2x that is 4x plus x 5x plus 4 assume first term similarly here also same acha you can using the column properties or using the row property like as row 1 will be changes row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3 देखो row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3 that is x plus 4 plus 2x that is 2x plus 2x 4x plus x 5x plus 4 ashibo ke nahi ashibo so that we can using this property like is row 1 can be changes row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3 आपको प्रैक्टिस कले तुम जानि परबो कोन टर्मटा अछि को प्रॉपर्टी यूज करे पड़िबो यूजिंग व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज of determinants so that r1 can be changes r1 plus r2 plus r3 so that now determinant will be x plus 4 plus 2x asilo again similarly 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x again 2x plus 2x plus x plus 4 only we can change the row 1 so that row 2 and row 3 will be written in same like as 2x x plus 4 2x similarly 2x 2x plus 4 मुझे लग नहीं only you can changes row 1 only changes the row 1 that is row 1 can be written in the process like as row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3 so that our changes like rho 1 okay ଅଛି that 2x sorry x plus 4 2x so rho 1 को मैं changes करी केम changes करी ना rho 1 plus 40 plus 40 क्लास में केते रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट का करी कोन एडेड हे जिवे ताले x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x लिखा जाय सिमिलरली 2x x plus 4 2x लिखा जाय 2x x plus 4 लिखा अछि you write down this way now देखो कौन आसला ना 2x plus 2x 4x plus x 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 similarly this will be also 5x plus 4 similarly in this way you can add it like this also give the 5x plus 4 again rho 2 and rho 3 will be written in same way like this 2x x plus 4 2x and the last row will be 2x plus 4 so x plus 4 now देखो ये प्रॉपर्टी पढ़िलु तले एटी कोन आसीला ना रो 1 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 आसीला now we have to take the element like as 5x plus 4 now the determinant will be 1 1 1 this will be 2x x plus 4 2x and the last row will be 2x x plus 4 5x plus 4 आसीला common first then 4 minus x आसीला factor 4 minus x now देखो कौन सा है ये डिवाइड अच्छा देखो कौन करी कॉलम 1 को चेंजेस कर दी कॉलम 1 माइनस कॉलम 2 फर्स्ट रो रे मैक्सिमम 0 कन्वर्ट करे भाई तो ट्राई लाइक दिस यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज so that column 1 can changes column 1 minus column 2 changes column 1 like it column 1 minus column 2 similarly column 2 also changes column 2 minus column 3 column 2 minus column 3 column 1 can changes column 1 minus column 2 and column 2 also changes column 2 minus column 3 so that our remaining elements of the determinant like it 5x plus 4 1 column 1 की अछि ना 1 2x अछि column 2 अछि कि 1 x plus 4 2x अछि कि नहीं now using the properties but changes कले कोन ना column 1 in column 1 can be changes column 1 minus column 2 so column 1 minus 1 0 2x minus x minus 4 so x minus 4 2x minus 2 0 so that 1 minus 1 0 this will be 2x minus x minus 4 so x minus 4 similarly 2x minus 2x that is 0 now again by using the properties then we have to changes the column 2 like it's column 2 minus column 3 so that column 2 will be देखो 1 x plus 1 2x अछि and column 3 कोन अछि 1 2x x plus 1 अछि मु कोन करी ना column 2 को changes कर दी column 2 minus column 2 we have to changes the column 2 like it's column 2 minus column 3 so that 1 minus 1 0 x plus 4 minus 2x that is 4 minus x 2x minus x minus 4 that is x minus 4 so that our column 2 is like a 0 0 4 minus x and the last will be 2x minus x minus 4 that is x minus 4 and column 3 can be written down in same way in same element like h 1 2x x plus 4 2x x plus 4 देखो तो कौन आसला 0 x minus 4 0 0 4 minus x minus 4 1 2x x plus 4 देखो कौन करबा हमर आसला कितना 4 minus x 4 minus x. So that now we can take in, this will be changes the elements like as 5x plus 4 0 मुझे लिख परी माइनस इंटू 4 माइनस x लिखी होगा कि नहीं माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करो हम चेंजेस इनटू ऐसे कौन x minus 4 same it will be 0 now 0 4 minus x minus 4 and last column will be 0 sorry 1 2x x plus 4 now ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଦେଖ ଏଠି 0 4 minus x 0 ଏଠି 0 4 minus x जो ଅଛି केते ना x minus 4 so also changes कदी करबा ताले माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करले कोन जीवो 4 minus x आसो so that now we can taking the common 4 minus x in column 1 and also taking 4 minus x in this column 2 now this will be raise x जो खाता रे बसी लिखो अगेन देखो 5x plus 4 मु कोन करली ना कॉलम 1 ले वी टू टेकिंग कॉमन 4 minus x then our remaining elements of determinant like written in 0 minus 1 0 0 4 minus x minus 4 minus x in column 1 like it's 1 2x x plus 1 x plus 1 so x plus 4 अच्छी x plus 4 देखो सिमिलरली देखो कॉलम 2 को लक्ष्य करो कॉलम 2 में 0 4 minus x 4 minus x similarly we have to taking 4 minus x common in column 2 then 5x plus 4 minus x 4 minus x as well so the remaining element of the determinant written in 0 0 1 and minus 1 4 minus 1 2x 0 minus 1 x plus 4 now we can expanding along the row 1 we can expand our determinants along the we can expanding along row 1 so that this will be 5x plus 4 minus x whole square 1 into you can eliminating respective row and respective column so that the remaining element can be written down in determinant way so that this will be 1 belongs to first row and third column so that the remaining element will be minus 1 1 0 minus 1 now this will be written 5x plus 4 5x plus 4 this will be 4 minus x whole square and we can find out the determinant value like a principal diagonal element of multiplication minus off diagonal elements of multiplication and principal diagonal element like in minus 1 into minus 1 so that plus 1 1 0 into 1 that is minus 0 so that 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square into 1 so that 5x plus 4 minus x whole square this is the RHS sides of determinants this is the RHS sides this is the truth of determinants like as given the determinant x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 2x 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 x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square this is the results of RHS like 5x plus 4 minus x whole square by using the property of determinants.